Demolition equipment has never been this equipped. The MT Series multi-tool not only gives contractors the ability to demolish structures with incredible efficiency, but it also allows for simultaneous on-site material processing. In other words, the productivity of this tool allows demolition professionals to complete both demolition and processing in the time it previously took to complete the demolition process alone. The MT has been specifically designed to deliver superior levels of versatility, efficiency, safety, and productivity to meet and exceed every expectation of demolition contractors. Shear, crack, and crush through any demolition challenge faster and more efficiently with the MT. Visit our website to watch our exclusive high-definition videos of the MT in action.